Here's a delicious recipe for a Mediterranean grilled vegetable salad with lemon herb dressing. Mediterranean grilled vegetable salad with lemon herb dressing. Ingredients. For the salad: 1 eggplant sliced into rounds. 2 1 zucchini sliced into rounds. 3 1 red bell pepper sliced. 4 1 yellow bell pepper sliced. 5 1 red onion cut into wedges. 6 1 cup cherry tomatoes halved. 7 1 cup cucumber diced. 8 1/2 cup Kalamata olives pitted. 9 1/2 cup crumbled feta cheese. 10 fresh parsley chopped for garnish. For the lemon herb dressing: 1 cup extra virgin olive oil. 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice. 3 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard. 4 1 clove garlic, minced. 5 1 teaspoon dried oregano. 6 1 teaspoon dried basil. 7 salt and black pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Grill the vegetables. 1. Preheat the grill or grill pan over medium-high heat. 2. Brush the eggplant, zucchini, bell peppers, and red onion with olive oil. 3. Grill the vegetables until they have nice grill marks and are tender. 3. The cooking time may vary for each vegetable, so remove them from the grill as they finish cooking. 4. Once grilled, let the vegetables cool slightly. 2. Assemble the salad. 1. Cut the grilled vegetables into bite-sized pieces. 2. In a large bowl, combine the grilled vegetables with cherry tomatoes, cucumber, Kalamata olives, and crumbled feta cheese. 3. Make the lemon herb dressing. 1. In a small bowl, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, minced garlic, dried oregano, dried basil, salt, and black pepper. 4. Dress the salad. 1. Pour the lemon herb dressing over the grilled vegetables and toss gently to coat. 2. Adjust the seasoning if needed. 5. Garnish and serve. 1. Garnish the salad with fresh chopped parsley. 2. Serve immediately or refrigerate until ready to serve. This Mediterranean grilled vegetable salad is not only visually appealing with its vibrant colors, but also bursting with flavors. It's a perfect side dish for a summer barbecue or a light and refreshing main course. Enjoy the taste of the Mediterranean.